and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Maimun Cave to remain a natural attraction, no religious sites allowed. Heated dispute at Maukarwat Hospital resolved. Meghalaya reopens Fertilizer Market to boost agriculture. And SSA Teachers demand salary increase and pending payments. And now the news in detail. Maimun Cave, known for its record rainfall, has gained international attention with the Maimun Cave, a stunning natural wonder. The donbosco Maimun Cave has firmly decided that the cave will remain a secular site, disallowing any religious group from establishing a place of worship there. The decision, supported by Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo, underscores the cave's status as a natural marvel rather than a religious site. The Maimun Cave continues to draw global tourists eager to witness the awe-inspiring rock formations sculpted by nature's water symbols. This policy ensures that the cave's unique geological features remain the primary focus for visitors.
Kalau ngecing sisa, bahkan ni ke kerem kuban Maimun Cave, kadai ke major tourist attraction jong ketiga time. But kan kita sibun lada Meghalaya ka tangkum ka jaka begle nyam jogonu ka kenhun nyam kerpang. Namar ka day ka jaka ka ba la frequent daki nong jongo pertain la ka leng sodong kibadan lalaki jongki nyam bat ki jat jengai di ka India kum ka secular state kadang ban promote ikam kata idea ba kani gede ke jaka mani jongno ke kedon di nak kata kadau
Naga सरकार ने कुछ approach की group of yatras की बा जुबले माला por bani dia nanti yakni ki yatras group kan
kum kalong hadu menda kampat don kanu ke formal representation naka donbosco bahkan pan ya ke intervention juga.
A heated argument erupted at Maukarwat Civil Hospital on August 5th when a mother, frustrated by a busy schedule, demanded to see her child first. The confrontation between the mother and a doctor escalated, drawing attention to the hospital's need for improved communication. In response, the KSU Maukarwat Circle, led by Vice President Pul Jonstar Wanyang, intervened on August 6th. The group met with the medical superintendent to address the issue and seek a resolution. The medical superintendent assured that measures would be taken to prevent further conflicts, emphasizing the importance of polite communication between staff and patients. This move aims to foster a more respectful and efficient hospital environment.
Yang step jong ka tu ka Turki dan ka video ka baca pok ka Civil Hospital Maukarwat. Kum kaseng hi ruban nakapor sa kapor kathong bat ka jingyu isai ka ba khamat do ko jongi ka ba kong san tame ka de ka jingyu nong ka jingyu montoy jong ba babun balang jo ka do ka thai nyibu ya kata ka ba long khamat nakata ka daw niju nakapor sa kapor niju kundu ya kasi ya ki department beper ni kundu ki minister ni keren sa pensngo sa sarkar ban penbiang bat kham tame ba de ba ko kya ban penbiang ki medical facilities bat service Ndai ke baja kum tu ka wara ka jing ketak mat yong. Bat ka jing wara ka jing bom chanya. Apa di gilat Sumar kapok distrik Kecungi. Te mar bami ka tu ke video na galang jungi le keduk marmar ni phone marmar bat mendin di MS dari im Simlodon na po hang ne po mokorwan ting ya kruan de bi kenduk mentan ban na galang jungi akular ba impembek ni kam ni so benyau ru ba ya ka jingdon juga tu ni sing balang kiba ong no ai kam ibarit ibala ban solve ne bala ban penbek tanga po sau konro jongka kamera handai ela pen sapriang state bat lanang aiding penban bakana hem susu kini so bakata ka dikang ti ka bomdei namar ba habakut hi kamera ai jing nong bakora ka singilam bakala maka jidu nong i pa jogo dogo than ka jongi hi te nakaliang jongi ka seng ila kan tu MS staff pada departmen berapa wehi bakin penjanai bakin long adkar bakin nomi su bukan kini ki ba wara jing ketak madyong wara jing bong sultanan susai bah jing syakri ba hi kibun ki kimi shibun ki jing tho kimi shibun ki jing ero ki don shibun ki jing bakala ki don shibun ki jing janai ki jing biang ba jing trikam te nakata-kata mi kentu la kalong ikiri ba la kalong ikidong tray sorkar la kalong inu ba habadon kinu jing musutu jumut banyak penbek banyak keren dak akor ke buram dak basai kenang mungkin demi kinu jing kelumar jing musutu jumut tiba.
The government of Meghalaya has reintroduced a fertilizer market to support local farmers and address a decline in agriculture over recent years. This market will provide essential chemical fertilizers including urea, DAP, MOP and SSP through the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation. The state plans to offer subsidies to farmers for fertilizer purchases, a measure halted in 2014. The move comes in response to farmer complaints and aims to improve crop yields. Ejen Star Kurkalang, a public worker from Smith and Nongkrem, praised the initiative and expressed hope that it will enhance agricultural productivity. Despite the introduction of the Meghalaya State Organic and Natural Farming Policy 2023, which seeks to promote organic farming, Kurkalang and others hope the new policy will not disrupt the current fertilizer supply. The Department of Agriculture is expected to begin organic farming training in villages soon.
Bagi kamat, jong gini ka jing jong rap, hani ka dong ka than ka jongi. Di nakapor siya kapor ngilai jong garan, kamtami ka doi subo pat ya kayo. To haga tandai tarik jong banai akas arjar arpuar. Katerat agriculture department and farmers welfare kila isu ban ailat biang ya ginong rap ban penodkam ya ka chemical fertilizer kamtam ya ka urea DAP MOP SSP bat kiwe to plus nangta haga arsan tarik jong wakas arjar arpu arhi di kawan sa kawai ko order naga corporation department Sarkar Meghalaya bakin ai sai ko subsidi but kani kadai ke jing kemen you know ram ila kemen nolor ka tu jing pensangai hawa aja khasau ya arjar arpuar lawan biang kemur kadai ke jing kemen ka ba ka sarkar ka lapar khat biang jing enong ram ten rei hapdeng jong kata paden naka ai kadau ngimtip bakum makala matahi ka supply pat kampat biang bot kam pada ya reti bahar kom ka padai de dang bun kinong rep ka bala dei ka porthung hari dang sateng te om tang kata te ka ba ngisku khia kalong ba ka sarkar ko ong bangin yat organik ka sarkar ka lapang kre ya ka ni ka organic mission ga jongga bat kala warna akhiru ya ni ka Meghalaya State Organic and Natural Farming Policy 2023 bat kiwi di program ki ban abon ka project ka ban central government ru ka don la ka jong ka ba kilapan kre na do acha khapra ter seneng habodei ba ka ni ka organic mission om tang ya ka jala ka jini ya ka not easy bro ka wai tenrei ka basusi kalong ba hadu matahi banong hi kata ka ban kaliang jong sarkar kalong agresif lene actively participate ban approach ya unong rep Indonesia ki thain nong kendong babun hi kno rap kham tam ni ka thain rilum ku jungi ki bal penon kam ya ke chemical fertilizer ka ba ngidon kam.
On the evening of July 6th, SSA Teachers from Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association met with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong and State Project Director Samagra Swapnil Tembe to address long-standing salary issues. Aristotle Rambai, a spokesperson for the association, emphasized the need for a salary increase that has been a persistent demand since 2022. The teachers also urged the department to expedite the payment of pending salaries, including for July. The meeting aimed to remind officials of their promises and address the financial grievances of the teachers who have previously protested in front of the Additional Secretariat to push for their demands.
Nakalian jongi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Budi Mentagasni nila one badia kendo ya State Project Director besar Swapnil Tembe Office Tekam jongi hakabangi la summit ro ya kajingtho kabanakalian jongi association ngibo ya kajingdawa lengba jongi ba kidai ban pelai no marmar ya kutulok jongi ka jong benai March kumban shu pentip jong benai July sorry kumban shu pentip ya pi nakalian jong ka State nakalian jong ka Education Department kalau ada ban pelai ya ka sanction order syabaro ki district ka absent week jong benai Julai nakabenta ban siu ya ka tulok syabaro kino hikai SSA nakbenta benai Julai andai ka penlongok pad ini habang nilai bodin syaki district niyo jintip bakadaw ka penslem ya tulok jongi kalong nakadaw ka kini non teaching staff ki ki dai ka bangi nakaliang jong association ni pensngau Shaw State Project Director ni ongba nimdonai ai banong ya kajingi ki jongki they have every right to protest as per constitution andai mangiru kino hikai SSA nimdon ka hok katkum ka jing Khubor jong article 21 but article 300A jong Constitution of India kimdon hok ban bat ya ka salary jongi amarni kino hikai SSA ni fully depend ya naka livelihood jongi naka salary jongi kimdon shu kiwei ki alternative source of income ikani ka jingi ki jongki da ka baki withhold yang ka tulop jongi bat ki detain ya tulop jongi kala kata sikade ni kino hikai SSA Bana kalian jongi ngila pensngau ngila dawa no State Project Director ba udai ban pelai no marmar ya kani ka tulop jongi ban ni kam bat nada kani kam urlong na kalian jongki non teaching staff nada jai ai kino hikai SSA nada kami kano ka jingi ki na kalian jongi kino hikai SSA ki habat shim ya ka jingi ki.
On August 5th, MLA Sostinus Sotun, accompanied by Block Development officers, visited schools in Jorabat and Khanapara affected by severe rainfall. The heavy rains had caused significant flooding, rendering many classrooms unfit for use and disrupting classes. In addition to school damage, residential areas, roads and pedestrian paths also suffered from the downpour. During the visit, Sotun called on government officials to expedite aid for those hit hardest by the floods, urging the prompt allocation of resources from the Emergency Relief Fund. The visit highlighted the urgent need for support to mitigate the impact on both educational institutions and affected communities.
Kaba alor ke jinja kaba menen warok lai snowing kai jadi ke jinjur plat yang slap bala penjulor subun bak ke jaga gilawan ban visit ke school Senjur ro ke jinjulor ke bala sikai kaba ke level jong ka kala tio hado kata kaba untuk mentaksi porok kini school ke bodon kini ke border area selapun bala hang nama ba ki na school ke la jinjar ki school ki ke ground floor ki school bobun ke la tab umlot kajing jot jing penjot jong ka lingba kajing hap yu slap along hado kata bat ni mentang ngidang don sekui ki cakar ki bang hap likpet lagi haka area jong ka terngaro di kerang sebak manai layo belek jing julor hatu ladon haki school nang ta haki area di ki area bodon nang ta ki gala yo ki video footage ki bakila da pha na kilang kinong yelam na kilang ki Shillong hagwede bat ki jing julor hejing penjulor di kisurok nang ta ki landslide repair ki baladan haman lagi Shillong badan hakaneka area tena kaliang jongang layo bani keren ya deputy commissioner layo bani keren video bat ding ta kadau ba ki nakliang deputy commissioner la pha ya video bat gram sebab mata ki don hak feel bakin le ke assessment nak banta ka jingon kam hong gede jingjulor nang ba ki immediate relief ka de banyo bakin yo ban pha si ki jingon kam nang ta kinu ki Shillong le ke school dan kinu ki layo ba la syakta kalau ke jingjur plat ke selap melin kata ke ba lakwa ban tenpau pat joki baru mata de mentang dang lek social ke ke jaka ke ba dangpun ba ke ba Shillong ke lai pun ya nak mata kuno bang yo ban Peit ya ke de ke jingja ke yo pha assessment kunju nak mentha bang yo ban ya kilan jingra nak ka hamtam nak ka sokar immediate relief nak ta ki jangan kam ke ba la penjulor laba bajur la melin.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.